Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. The market is bleeding. It's red out there. News that it's China buying the dump again, with people concerned about the housing situation. But why does Bitcoin dip? Well, it's red out there, and what can we do? We can just generate profits and increase our crypto. If we're looking at coin market cap, everything is red. It just keeps on dipping the last 24 hours. Well, red create opportunities. The opportunity to buy back in, the opportunity to buy lower and sell higher. And that's why we're using the BITSGAP grid trading bot. But let's look at a bit of news. Bitcoin in pullback mode, support at $40,000 and $42,000. Initial support is seen at 40 and 42, which could stabilize the pullback. Bitcoin sellers were active over the weekend as the cryptocurrency price dipped below the 200-day moving average at $45,000. Initial support is seen between the 40 and 42,000 range, where a breakout occurred on August 6. The $50,000 resistance level was tested several times over the past few weeks, although buyers ultimately took profits as overbought signals appeared on the charts. Bitcoin was trading around 44,200 at press time and is down 5% over the past 24 hours. The RSI on the daily chart dipped below the 50 neutral level and is not yet oversold. This suggests a period of consolidation could persist between $40,000 support and a $50,000 resistance. On the 4-hour chart, the RSI is the most oversold since September 8th, which preceded a brief price bounce after a 19% sell-off. Short-term buying could occur, although upside appears to be limited beyond the $50,000 mark, given strong overhead resistance. So reading this, if we drop below 40,000, we might see the mid-50s. But if we can bounce back from this and go above 50,000, a new all-time high might be upon the horizon. But besides the markets dipping, some good news. El Salvador purchased another 150 Bitcoin following the price dump. El Salvador's president announced that the country now owns 700 Bitcoin after purchasing another 150. In a reply post, Bukele said, "They can never beat you if you buy the dips," adding that this was now presidential advice. Although Bukele's passion project of introducing Bitcoin as a legal tender in the country is still underway, it's not without its hurdles. The first country to adopt Bitcoin, and they're moving forward, sitting with 700 Bitcoin already. It was just a few Bitcoin the other day, but they keep on building as they're buying the dips. But let's see, how are we going towards our 1 Bitcoin challenge? Currently, the market is down and it's pulling the prices down, which is bringing our volume down as well. We're a little bit down, but still up. We started with 0.143 Bitcoin and we're standing on 0.153. So overall, we're still up as we keep on generating Bitcoin as the markets keep on buying and selling. If we go to our Bitsgap account, we can see our 5 coins is still active, besides BNB is out of range and has been out of range for quite a bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend my BNB and add all available funds toward it and make BNB my upgraded coin for this week. As we can see, the highest sell limit order is at 0.0106. Let me just get it again. Move it off. Get the exact number, which is on 0106. So it's 0.0106550. So we're going to reset our numbers from this entry point lower to the current market price. So when the current market turns around, we'll be back into gaining profits immediately again. While this bot is cancelling, we'll go back and see where is any profits. Dot will trade back to Bitcoin, and then XRP as well would trade it back to Bitcoin. And as soon as that is back to Bitcoin, we'll reset our bot and start it up again, adding the additional funds and keep on growing and growing our pairs, helping us to generate faster and faster profits. Dot was sold. We got a bit of XRP as well. We're going to exchange the XRP to Bitcoin, and then we'll reset our bot. Let's sell the XRP. They are sold as well. And if we look at that, XRP and Dot should be on 0. Let's see, Dot hasn't gone through yet. Let's just redo it again and get it to the number 0. And this will give us the opportunity to add all available funds to the BNB pair. Right, Dot has been added. The Dot is on 0. All available pairs is on 0 besides BTC and Binance, which we are doing. We'll go to Binance. Our numbers is in. We'll put in our 50 grids. Our 50 grids is in, and we'll put our lower number just beneath the current market price. Our grid steps increased, meaning we're building towards it. We'll take all available funds and we'll start our bot up again. The bot is started. We'll wait for it to be active, and we're ready for another week to keep on building as we're growing towards our challenge. Shortly, we'll start seeing the different trades being placed by the bot. As you can see, the red lines is all our sell limit orders, and the green line is our buy limit order. We've just extended our grid steps and used exactly the same amount of grids with a bigger percentage in between, and all additional available funds is added towards this pair. We'll wait for the bot to be started and we'll be all done, and we'll be back next week Monday with another update. Leave me your comments and concerns as the bot is started, and let's chat about it. Have a great one. Take care.